Imagine going to your computer right now, laying in your bed, typing Captchas and getting paid. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn $50 every 30 minutes just from typing Captchas. Now, if you do want to make the most money from doing this, then be sure to watch this video all the way through to the end, and do pay close attention as you don't want to miss any important steps that could result in you not being paid the most amount of money. Also, if you do stick with me until the end of this video, I'll be giving you a free bonus that will actually show you how you can set this up to earn up to $1,000 every day on complete autopilot. So let's get straight into this video and learn how to make money online by simply typing Captchas. There are actually a ton of websites that offer this service, but I have done a lot of research for you guys and I have found the top 3 highest paying websites for typing Captchas. So the first website we're going to talk about is TheProdigy.com. So what you want to do is come across to the website, which looks like this. You can see this website will pay 50 cents to 1,000 for solved Captchas, and you can actually start earning from the comfort of your own home. Payments are instant, and as the website mentions, this is easy to get started. You don't need any experience or skills, and it is super simple to get signed up for free and start earning money. What you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click this green button that says sign up. From here, you just need to enter your email address and choose a password. After that, just tick the box and then click the green continue button down here. So next, what you want to do is actually go to your email and just confirm your email address, which will enable you to start earning money. And when you come back to Captcha and log in, you want to select this option here, which says I'm a worker. You will now be taken to your earnings page, which actually looks like this, and then you just need to come over to this menu on the left hand side and click start work up here in the top left hand corner to start working and earning money. As you can see, it takes literally a few minutes to get signed up and start earning money with this website. So now let's take a look at the second website, which is actually called megatypers.com, and as you can see from the homepage, it says easy job, easy money, and you can earn type credits worth over $200 every single month just by simply filling out Captchas. One of the great things about this website is that this is available worldwide, so no matter where you are in the world, you can get signed up in seconds and earning money straight away. Again, the sign up process is super simple and it takes less than a minute to get registered. Just simply click the sign up button at the top of the page, fill in a few details, and you'll be registered and on your way to earning money. The third website I want to show you before I reveal my bonus strategy on how to make up to $1,000 every day on autopilot is this one here, which is called TheProdigy.com. If you take a look, you can see this website actually started back in 2007. So they have been around for a very long time, and with that being said, they are very reputable, and as you can see here, you can actually withdraw your payments instantly with this site, which is absolutely great. Now, one of the amazing things about this website is if you scroll down slightly, you are going to see a section here with testimonials, and there is actually a whole host of testimonials from people all around the world. But what I really love is if you click this link here, it actually takes you across to a website and you can see all these different people which have provided testimonials. And you can actually click on any of these to see some great results. For example, if I click this person here, you can see it tells you the country they are from at the top, and they've left a testimonial underneath. And you can see there are people from all over the world using this website and achieving great results. To get signed up for this website, what you need to do is come back to the homepage of TheProdigy.com, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and you will see the register link down here. All you want to do is give that a click, and again the process takes seconds to get signed up and ready to start earning money. So just before I do reveal my bonus strategy to use this to make up to $1,000 a day on autopilot, if you are enjoying this video, then be sure to subscribe and press the bell notification to be informed of when we upload new videos. Also, comment sub below to be entered into our monthly free shoutout prize draw giveaway. Alright, so let's get back to it, and as promised, I will now show you my bonus strategy about how to turn this into passive income by using my bonus autopilot strategy. So once everything is set up and ready to go and you have your account set up on these websites, you can now, if you want, use this strategy to take things to the next level and start making big money with this. I'm talking 100, 500 or maybe even $1,000 a day. Now if you have missed out any steps though, be sure to play this video from the beginning to make sure you have everything set up in place ready, as you will need to have all your accounts set up before you can go ahead and set this up on autopilot. So once everything is set up and ready, what you're going to want to do is come across to another website which is called Fiverr.com. Now if you don't know what Fiverr.com is, it is basically a website for freelancers. So you can actually come here and hire people to do jobs and tasks for you. So once you are at Fiverr, what you want to do is come to this box up here which says Find Services. And then in this box you want to type virtual work and just hit enter. Now what's going to happen is you're going to get a list of all these different people that are actually willing to do the work for you. So if you come here where it says budget, and then what you want to do is put 5 in the maximum box, and this is going to list all these people that will do this work for literally a few dollars, and you could be making hundreds if not thousands of dollars per day off this small investment. So at this point you might be wondering why you don't have to pay much for this. And the answer is a lot of these people are from countries such as Pakistan, India, Thailand, where the average pay is around $100 per month. So of course any money they make from jobs like this really helps them out. And by doing this, another great thing is not only are you making money passively, you are also helping someone else with their business, which of course is a really amazing thing about doing this bonus strategy. And you could even go a bit further and you could give them a percentage of your earnings that you make as a bonus for helping out. Remember that the first thing you want to do is to set up your accounts. After this you can start earning money, completing captchas, and you have the choice to do that yourself or to hire someone to do it for you. But either way, whatever choice you do decide to do, you will make great money with this strategy. So there is another video that I recently made where you can actually make over $700 every single day using the Google Translate tool, and you can check this out by clicking the video on screen now. The strategy is actually super simple, it's free to do, and you can make a ton of money. So I just want to take a moment to thank you for sticking with me throughout this video until the end, and if you are looking for more easy ways to make money online, then be sure to subscribe to the channel for even more amazing videos, strategies and tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.